Welcome to the How to Generate Test Progress Reports in TIDE training video. In this training, we will review how to run various reports to monitor test progress during any test administration in TIDE. From the TIDE dashboard, locate the green Administering Test section. We will focus on the Monitoring Test Progress card in this section. The tasks available on the Monitoring Test Progress card allow you to generate various reports that provide information about a test administration's progress. Several types of participation reports are available. The Plan and Manage Testing option details all student test opportunities and the status of those test opportunities. This report is processed using data in near real time. The Test Progress Summary report displays charts with the data from test completion rates for district level and school level data. This report displays data nightly. The Test Completion Rates option summarizes the number and percentage of students who have started or completed a test. Data in this report are processed nightly. Please also note this report does not include holistic ratings uploaded. The Test Session Status report details active and inactive test sessions happening in districts and campuses. This report also displays data in near real time. The Test Status Code report displays students' test statuses for a test administration. Data in this report display in near real time. The Search Students by TSDS ID option shows test participation for specific students. Let us review each option next. From the TIDE dashboard, under the Administering Tests column, find Monitoring Test Progress. First, we'll review the Plan and Manage Testing task. Click the task, and a new page with search options will appear. There are Basic Search, Advanced Search, and Favorites options. We will review the Basic Search option first. In the Basic Search tab, there are 3 steps. 1. Students to define a student group. 2. Information to set the focus of the report, and 3. Tests to select tests and an administration. First, select the required information from the Enrolled Region, Enrolled District, and Enrolled Campus drop-down menus. Click Next Step. In this step, select one option for the report. Under Group Testing Overview, options you see are as follows. Students who have not started assigned tests. Students who have started but not completed assigned tests. Students who have not completed assigned tests. Students who have completed an assigned test. You can also look up tests with potential issues. To do so, select the following. Students with tests in a paused status. Then click Next Step. In the last step, select the test, administration, and test name. For all test information, use the drop-down menus to select all relevant tests or only the ones you need. Click the Previous Step button anytime you need to return to the previous steps to modify your search criteria. Click Search to see your search results. Now, let's try running a sample report using this Basic Search option. We will try to identify all students who have not started the December 2025 STAR English 1 assessment. For the first step, we select information from the Enrolled Campus drop-down menu. Next, we select the first option, Students who have not started assigned tests. Lastly, we select STAR December under Test and select applicable options from each drop-down menu. Search results appear in the table below, and we see a list of students who have not started their December 2025 STAR English 1 assessment. Click Adjust Search Settings to make any changes to the previous selections. We will now review the Advanced Search option, so that we can customize our report to narrow down the search results. In the Advanced Search tab, the Search Students panel displays additional search criteria. Make an appropriate selection to select the parameters for which information to include in your report. Here, you see 4 options under the Information, Set Report Focus panel. Be sure to expand the drop-down menu to view all available options to customize your report. Let's try running a sample report using the Advanced Search option. This time, we will try to identify all grade 10 students who will need text-to-speech for their English 1 test and have not started their December 2025 STAR English 1 assessment. First, we make necessary selections for the required enrolled region, district, and campus information. Locate 10 in the Grade drop-down menu. In the Advanced Search panel, use the drop-down menu to find Text-to-Speech in Add New Criteria and select Add Selected. Use the drop-down menu under English 1 to select On. Next, select STAR December from the Tests, select Tests and an Administration panel. Under the Test Name option, select only December 2025 STAR English 1. Next, select the first option in the Information, Set Report Focus panel to create this report. Select the appropriate option and complete the sentence for the search criteria. Because we are looking for students who have not started their tests, we will make an appropriate selection for each option. Click Generate Report to view the results. Because we narrowed down our search to show only students who will need to use the text-to-speech function on tests, we should make the necessary arrangements to ensure that these students receive headsets on the testing day. Clicking the file download icon allows you to export your search results in Microsoft Excel or CSV format. Explore other options in the Advanced Search tab to customize the report in a way that makes sense to you. You can save advanced search queries as favorites by clicking the Save New Favorite button. Enter a title for your search, and for future reference, include a detailed description of your selected filters, and select Save to Favorites. Your saved searches will be available anytime under the Favorites tab. Next, let's review the Test Progress Summary page. The Test Progress Summary provides visual representations and detailed breakdowns of the test completion rates report data for both open and past testing windows. By default, your student group includes all schools you have access to. You can change this by selecting Change Report Type and making other selections. Within Open Test windows, you can select Show Details to break this report down to the individual test level. The test progress legend indicates the number of assessments that are completed, in progress, or not started. To sort the data, use the Sort By feature and select the appropriate option in the drop-down menu. Here, you can view additional details, including test results, by selecting Show Results Table. You can change how your results table is displayed, by grade or by scoring combo. After the results table is displayed, you can filter the table by test by using the options in the drop-down menu. You can export this table in Microsoft Excel format by clicking the file download icon. You can also show or hide details for open and past testing windows by expanding the panel to display test cards and collapsing it to close the panel. Please note that depending on where you are in your test cycle, the charts may show as mostly not started. It is important to note that the Test Progress Summary report will not include holistic ratings uploads. It is important to note that the test completion rates report calculates overnight, not on demand. The report shows the date it was exported, and the time the information was processed, calculated for the Eastern Time Zone. Next, we will show you how to run the Test Completion Rates report, which summarizes the number and percentage of students who have started or completed a test within a district or campus. In the Report Criteria panel, select the parameters for which tests to include in your report. Let's review the report for the STAR Interim Assessments, Window 1, Grade 6 Mathematics, for the Demo Campus 1. We will select Campus Test Completion Rates first. From the Test drop-down menu, select STAR Interim Assessments and Window 1 from the Administration drop-down menu. Next, unselect all test names, scroll down to Locate, and select Fall 2025 STAR Interim, Grade 6 Mathematics. Additionally, you may choose, by grade, to sort your report. Please note that an option to sort the report by scoring combo only applies to TEL-Pass assessments. Click Export Report to open the report in Microsoft Excel. Next, we will review how you can use the Test Status Code report to view test statuses for all students who are registered for the test that you select in this report. Let's select STAR Interim Assessments from the Test Instrument drop-down menu and Window 2 from the Administration drop-down menu for this example. You will now see the session, student, and test information on the results page. You can use the up or down arrow on the column to sort your search results. You may use this report to identify students who have submitted their tests or have not started their tests, to monitor and make plans for your campus. Next, let's look at the Search Students by TSDS ID report to view participation reports for specified students. Enter the TSDS ID in the TSDS IDs field. If you are entering multiple IDs, be sure to separate them with a comma. Click Generate Report to see the search results. You can also upload a Microsoft Excel or CSV file to generate participation reports for multiple students. Please note that the maximum number of student IDs that can be uploaded is 1,000. Let's navigate to the Test Session Status Report task. In the Session Report panel, select the required region, district, and campus information. You can choose one or more specific campuses, or all assigned campuses. To view all active and inactive sessions where one student has started testing and the session has not been stopped, select Open Sessions, and then select Generate Report. A table with your enrolled districts and campuses will appear. Make your selection, and you will see all active test sessions. From this screen, you may select Expand All Sessions to expand the sessions containing multiple tests, and Collapse All Sessions to collapse expanded sessions. You may also click the plus sign next to the test name to expand just that section. If there are any inactive sessions, you can select the box on this page to show all inactive sessions. Now, let's review how you can view future scheduled sessions. Select Scheduled Sessions next to Session Type, and then select Generate Report. A table with your enrolled districts and campuses will appear. Make your selection, and you will see all scheduled test sessions based on your search criteria. Here, you will see the proctor name, test name, session ID, and start and end times for each scheduled session. You can use this report to view future scheduled, non-proctored sessions to ensure that all appropriate assessments are scheduled correctly. If any inconsistencies are found, they should be corrected as soon as possible. It is important to note that a scheduled session shows in the Scheduled Sessions report until the first student begins a test in the Test Delivery System, TDS, for that session. Once a student begins a test, the session will move to the Open Sessions report, regardless of when the session was scheduled. Be sure to explore these options in the Monitoring Test Progress menu to customize a report to fit your specific needs. Educators and technology staff may contact Texas Testing Support at 833-601-8821, at texastestingsupport@cambiumassessment.com, or by using the chat feature located on the Texas Assessment Program website. This concludes the How to Generate Test Progress Reports in TIDE training video. You may review the contents of this video by using the controls on your player.